Nucleus induction furnaces are new developed induction furnace at Hunan Jingteng Automation Equipment Co., Ltd. The workers are installing this furnace which looks so good. The workers are welding the furnace body at Hunan Jingteng Automation Equipment Co., Ltd. For more detailed description, you can add my WhatsApp at 86到181 3343568 or email to saleshinted163.com. We will send the e-catalog to you. Thanks.